Hello and welcome back. We're looking at the J2 RU Paths problem from the Junior Math Challenge, and we're looking at Part A. Now in Part A, we're asked to explore a 7 by 5 grid. Notice that it's different from the one in the first example, which was a 5 by 4 grid. The other thing to notice is the order is important. This is the number of columns across. This is the number of rows down. All right, so let's put our point A down and our point B. So I'm going to suggest you actually create some of these grids. You could either do it electronically like me or just get yourself out a grid book. We're going to explore the spaces. Now our challenge is to make a path with 8 turns. Okay, so I've only got 7 across here, so I'm going to have to be pretty quick about doing my turns or I might run out of space. So let's just try. I'm just going to go crazy and do as many turns as I can, remembering I can only go right or up. How many have I done so far? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I'm going to do another one. That'll make me 8. Oh dear, that's not going to work. I'm going to have to do, there's my 7, 8, 9. Oh, I've done way too many turns there, haven't I? So I'm going to have to do something different. And I'm going to let you explore that. Now, an interesting question is there more than one answer to this question? I have a feeling there are more than one answer to this question. Now, you're only asked to find one. It says draw an RU path. So you've only got to draw one to submit with your answer. It did actually ask you to draw it, but there's no reason we couldn't actually just write in our answers if we're going to submit electronically. We could actually use the coding method. So that would be an RU, 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 and so on path. Okay, have a go and see if you can find one of, I think, the more than one paths that have 8 turns.